The sound of steel on steel means recoil and vibration on every strike. Little can be done to reduce recoil at the head, but improvements in handle materials have led to increased energy absorption and less user fatigue. Wood handles are still the best for vibration reduction, but they come up short for durability because of their tendency to break during an overstrike. Steel handles reduce overstrike breakage but absorb little of the vibration sent down the handle to the operator. Nupla fiberglass handles offer improvement in both areas. Tough Nupla glass handles resist overstrike breakage while reducing the vibration experienced by the operator. When struck with equal force, the Nupla wood-handled 4-pound sledgehammer absorbs 100% more energy than an equivalent steel-handled 4-pound sledge. The classic Nupla glass sledge absorbs 50% more energy than the 4-pound steel sledge. Durability, vibration reduction, and a lifetime handle warranty make Nupla fiberglass hammers the best choice.